1-2, nobody out. There's a little looper that's going to drop for a base hit. Pillar's around third. He's going to score. Ryan Goins picks up the RBI with his second hit of the night. It's a one-run game.
That's how you got to do it. You got to pick up that run. Runner on second base. Tough left-hander Quintana on the mound, and Ryan Goins stayed right with that ball. Didn't try and pull it. Didn't try and hit it to the right side. Stayed with it and put it out into left field and almost got a double. Stayed on top of that ball, created backspin, and when it hit the turf out there, watch it shoot, and almost right by Viciedo.